All right, so once you finish this assignment and you're happy with how it looks, you've got everything moving correctly, it's timed well, and you've got all your keyframes set, you're ready to render it, basically export it. So the way you do that in After Effects is you select your composition up here, and you choose from your composition menu, Add to Render Queue. When you do that, you'll see you have another tab show up down here. It's called the Render Queue. And so now you have your composition over here, and you've got your render queue here, and you've got your one item added to that render queue. For render settings, you can leave it on best settings, is fine. For the output mode, you're going to click on lossless, and you're going to choose, instead of AVI, you'll choose H.264. And then make sure you check this audio output box down here. That will allow it to output audio, and you can just leave it on the default there, and you'll click OK. And then where it says output to, yours will probably say not yet set. And so you have to click on that yellow text that says not yet set, and then choose where you're going to put it. So I recommend putting it in this top level folder. So I'm actually going to just replace this one that's there, and I'll save it. And then you're going to click render over here, this render box. And when you do that, it'll just take, this project is only 7 seconds long, so it'll just take a little bit longer than that to export. And then once it does, you can see that it shows up in that, let's see where my folder is. If I go to my Z drive and my Kinetic typography demo folder, you can see it shows up right there, and I can open it and it plays nicely.
This is your Kinetic typography assignment. Ready? Go.
And there you have it. So now you're ready to upload that to Google Drive and submit through Google Classroom with your reflection.